Moroccan spice barramundi with citrus salad. Grab some juicy Australian limes, oranges and grapefruit to create this vibrant and zesty Moroccan spice barramundi with citrus salad. Start by prepping the citrus. Peel the grapefruit and then use a small knife to segment the fruit. Work over a bowl to catch any juices. Next, peel and segment the lime, working over the same bowls. Peel the oranges and thinly slice crossways, removing any seeds. Next, place the barramundi, Moroccan seasoning and 1 tablespoon of oil in a shallow bowl. Gently turn to evenly coat the fish in the seasoning, then set aside for 5 minutes. While the barramundi is marinating, make the salad dressing. To do it, place the honey or maple syrup if you prefer, mustard, reserved grapefruit and lime juice, and the remaining oil in a screw-top jar. Season with salt and pepper. Seal the jar and shake well to combine. Next, heat a large non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the barramundi to the pan and cook for 3 minutes each side or until just cooked through. It should be a beautiful golden brown colour. To make the citrus salad, place the orange slices, grapefruit and lime segments, fennel and fennel fronds, coriander, mint and pomegranate in a large bowl. Toss gently to combine. Place the barramundi onto a serving platter with the salad mixture. Top with some feta and drizzle with the dressing to serve. This Moroccan-inspired barramundi dish is bursting with flavour. Try it for a mouth-watering dinner with friends or family.